Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a fast lens and switching your camera to aperture priority so you control depth of field. Aim for f/1, 8 to f/2. 8, that's how you get soft backgrounds. Once you frame the subject, move closer and increase focal length to compress the scene. Make sure the background is several meters away. Distance creates larger blur. Meter for the subject's exposure, then lock focus on the nearest eye or detail. Now take a handful of test frames and review for sharp subject and creamy background. Once done with initial frames, refine focus and lighting to shape the bokeh. Switch to single-point autofocus and place that point on the closest eye or detail. This ensures the subject stays crisp. Then check exposure and use exposure compensation to preserve highlights, especially with backlight. If you want visible round bokeh, include small distant lights or sun through leaves. They render as discs at wide apertures. Make small framing adjustments and recompose, while keeping the subject to background distance large for smoother. To finish, take final sequences and confirm consistent focus across frames. If you notice motion blur, raise shutter speed or use a tripod. Make sure ISO stays low enough for clean files. If the background looks busy, stop down one stop to tighten bokeh without losing separation. And if bokeh shows odd shapes or artifacts, inspect the front element for dirt or change aperture slightly to see blade effect. This often fixes harsh edges. Finally, review images at 100% and adjust technique for the next shoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.